Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke. It is Tuesday, the 7th of November, and in today's episode, we're going to jump into the XRP price in just a second. You remember this graphic by Egrag Crypto? It was the monthly time frame, and he was showing the bullish crossover, which has happened. It's already happened. So, are we about to see an imminent 300% or 270% rise? So stay right to the very end for some technicals in XRP. Will we surpass the $1 mark? So stay tuned to the very end. Make sure to subscribe, smash up the like button, leave any comments below. I'm very grateful for all those things. And so subscribe to the channel and leave any questions in the comments section below. So jumping over into the Bitcoin price, I was reading this news about how Bitcoin's price could reach $40,000 this week. So that's very imminent. Why is that? Well, first of all, several on-chain data metrics flashed early signals of another leg up. So are we going to see another leg up to the upside? Another $5,000-$6,000. I think that's like 10 to 12%. Another leg up to the upside. And why is this? Well, one reason is that Bitcoin miners accumulated 583 Bitcoin over the weekend, so around 18.5 million, 18.3 million, and 20 crypto exchanges shows that Bitcoin bulls are now dominating the market. And this is what I want to focus on. Yes, we have the miners over the weekend, and you have the metrics here, but this is what interests me. It's the bulls are currently dominating the spot market. We have the graphic here. So how is that happening? Well, basically when the buy orders exceed the sell side, as observed in this graphic, it basically shows that there is a dominant buying momentum across the market. And with fewer Bitcoin or BTC coins currently up for sale, as it says here, relative to demand, buyers may have to increase their bids marginally to greet their orders filled quickly. So this could basically drive the Bitcoin price toward the $40,000 mark. It says this week it could happen. So is a $40,000 Bitcoin a viable target? So I mean, you can read the rest of this article. It was very interesting. Look at the graphic. Do your own research as well. None of this is financial advice. It's just for educational purposes only. But do your own research, read the article, look at the graphic. So jumping over into the Bitcoin price, keeping that in mind, could we go up to around the $40,000 level? If you've noticed, and if you've been with me over the past few days and weeks, you've noticed the bull flag that I brought out, and then this bullish pennant pattern, which did break up to the upside, but we did roll back over, and now we're just going sideways. And again, Bitcoin crypto space is boring. We're going sideways, but it just shows how fast the momentum swings in crypto. Just a few weeks ago, we rallied several $1,000s, and now all of a sudden we're back in boring territory and people lose interest. But that's when you need to continue to keep your eye on crypto, because when it's boring, that's when we'll probably have another leg up to the upside. So just some bearish indications. If we do look at the RSI, we have a bearish divergence, which is showing up on the RSI. So could we roll over? It's a possibility. I don't think so personally. I think we will go up purely because we're holding this, and we're in a bullish momentum. So for me, I think the price target that I showed with this bullish pennant pattern will play out, and it's around $39,000. So it's very close to the article of $40,000, but that's just me. It could be wrong. This bearish divergence could play out, and we could roll back over and come all the way down to the 29,900 or the $30,000 level. So this is in play. It's a possibility. So again, you do your own technical analysis, do your own research. But personally, I think we will go another leg higher. But just keep your your eyes on this. It is a possibility we come back down and retest the $30,000 level, which also would be healthy as well in the crypto space. Nothing goes up in a straight line. So looking at this, if we do go up to $40,000, what percentage would that be according to the article? Well, that would be a nice 15% increase in the Bitcoin price. So again, if you're using Bybit or Bitflex or any other exchange to trade, then on leverage, if you're using Bybit, again, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. Sign up to Bybit, it just takes a few minutes, and you can start your trading experience. Even if you already have a trading platform, you can still use another Bybit account if you wish. And yeah, you've got my link in the description below. So if you're using leverage, again, if you're using 10x, just as an example, you make 15%, that's 150% gain in this single trade. Just remember your stop losses as well. But throughout this week, we're going to look at some more technicals in the Bitcoin price for sure, just looking at some other indicators as well. But this price target of 38,000, I wouldn't leave it all the way up to 40k, because I think that is some key resistance. Yeah, if we go back, let me just fit this to the screen. 40k is clear resistance here from April 2022 and last year, so it would make sense that the 40k mark is where the bears will come back and maybe push us back down before we break through the $40,000 mark. Personally, I think by the end of the year we will be above the 40,000, going towards 45, 48k before we see 2024 come around. So it's just some quick technical analysis here. This is still in play. Let's see, this would be a rise of around, I think, 10% something, like 12%. So again, you've got my link in the description below to Bybit. So jumping over into XRP. So yes, last week I spoke about this chart. So basically, this was a bullish crossover back in 2017, and we saw a 55,000% increase in the XRP price. 2021, we saw another bullish crossover, and we saw a 1,500%. And now we've just, because this is back in September, we have gone through this bullish across. It's already happened. So are we about to see an imminent 300% rise? Could we see a 55,000% rise in XRP? Again, another 1,500%. Well, let's see what happens. But I mean, usually history rhymes in crypto, so I wouldn't be surprised if we did go up 500, 600, 700%, and especially with the SEC, the drop the law case. I did mention this last week. Could this be a catalyst to go up past $5, $6, $7, up to $10 to $15 for XRP, which is my price target. So if we do go up 270% or 300%, where would this take us from the current price? Well, let's do the math here. Let's do this. So 270%. Okay, I need to go out a bit more. This would take us all the way to around $2.50. So that would be 270%, almost 300%. So that would take us all the way up to. So is this imminent? Could this happen? Well, I'll let you read the article yourself. I mean, it's quite long, by Jake Simmons here, and it was only published 2 hours ago. But you can read that through. Again, do your own research. But is this a possibility? Well, if we look at the technicals, if we fit this back, get rid of this. What am I seeing in the technicals? Are we forming, if we go to the 1 hour, are we forming a cup and handle pattern? Is this a possibility? Well, if we take, for example, okay, let's do this. Let's do the arc. Let's do it from here. It's not the best. There we go. So cup and handle. So here's the cup, and if we go to the 1 hour time frame or even the 2 hour, are we potentially forming this cup and handle pattern? So here we go, we're coming down. Could we be coming back up like this? I mean, it's just a theory, it's just me looking at some TA and trying to make some predictions on the XRP price. So basically, if we fit this to scale, let's take the price from here, so from the bottom to the handle, and then we're going to stick this, let's zoom back out to the 4 hour, there we go. Could we be seeing this play out? So where would this take us basically? If this cup and handle pattern plays out, could we see Bitcoin go back, XRP, sorry, go towards the $1 mark? So I'm just keeping my eye out on I mean, here's the cup, the handle hasn't formed really. I'm just looking at the smaller time frames on like the 1 hour, and would we be forming this beautiful cup and handle pattern on the XRP price? If this plays out over the next few days, this handle, then yeah, we have a giant cup and handle pattern forming on XRP. So this would be an increase if you're trading this. Personally, I don't trade altcoins because they go up a lot anyway. But if you are trading XRP, then this would be a 36% if this cup and handle pattern plays out. So on leverage again, if you're using Bybit, if you do 10x, that's 360% in this giant cup and handle pattern, which is possibly forming right now. So I'm going to keep you up to date on the XRP price over the next few weeks, because this cup and handle pattern, I mean, we have the cup for sure. Are we about to form this handle? So I will keep you up to date on this, and especially with the indication that we're going to have a 300% rally anytime soon, and then with the bullish crossover as well. The bullish sentiment is coming back into XRP. The only flip side or the downside to that is the SEC trial with XRP. If that is resolved in next year, it wouldn't surprise me. You know, the bull market coming back, the Bitcoin halving, they solve the problem with XRP. They come to some sort of agreement or settlement, then sure, we'll be off to the races with XRP. So I'll keep you up to date with this cup and handle pattern, see if this plays out for those that are trading XRP. Personally, I don't trade XRP, I don't even trade altcoins, I just stick to Bitcoin and now and again Ethereum, but I'm just doing it for those that are holding or trading XRP out there. So thank you very much, guys and girls, for watching today's episode. Stay tuned tomorrow and I will be talking more about the Bitcoin price. Have a great Tuesday and I'll see you all tomorrow morning.